out the apartment. I'm heading for the walking tour. It starts in the place that I got off the bus earlier, so just outside the walls of the old town here in Dubrovnik. Right, I'm back on the Stradun, which is the main street through the old town here, but I'm at the wrong end. That's the opposite city gate to the one that I came through earlier. So I need to turn around here by my calculations. This is the way I need to go. First stop is the War Photo Museum, which has exhibitions on 3 areas. Firstly on the Yemen conflict, then on the End of Yugoslavia, and then a limited edition print room which features lots of wars from around the world. So we're just on the walking tour now, starting off on the seafront, and we're heading through the city gates in just a second, I think. So we're just about to head through Pile Gate into the city. This is Onfario's fountain, built in the 1400s to provide water to the city. Unbelievably enough, it's all fresh, drinkable water, and it's channeled in from a well 20 kilometres away. Apparently Game of Thrones is filmed here. It's a very popular TV show, I've never seen it myself. But our tour guide was one of the extras when they used some Dubrovnik residents as extras, which they do quite a lot apparently. He was an extra for 1 minute, in a 1 minute scene in Series 3, Episode 6. He said it took 2 days to film a 60-second clip. And he was one of the people in the background. Wow, this is like a little overlook. It's one of the few places you can go through the city wall to the sea. There we have it. Beautiful. So this is the fisherman's entrance that that goes on to Fisherman's Square. Nice little area. This is the restaurant district. Just the entire length of the street is restaurants and bars. Still going with a tour. This is the mayor's office. And then I believe that this is the theatre building of Dubrovnik. Well, the tour's over. It's a pretty good one. It's only about an hour and a quarter, but it was a good walk around the old town here. So I'm now going to go off and get some dinner. It's about 7:15, and I'm pretty hungry actually. I haven't eaten anything substantial since I was on the plane this morning. So dinner time for me, I think. When I got here this morning, it was really, really busy, and apparently what had happened was 3 cruise liners had turned up together, and all the passengers had got off for a day trip. So the place has been really busy all day. It's now quieting down a little bit, but still a huge amount of tourists here. The place just is built on tourism. Well, it's about 9:15. Done a little bit of gift shopping. I've had a look around, and I'm going to head back to the apartment now. Do a little bit of organising for tomorrow, because I didn't plan exactly what I was going to do when and at what time, because I wasn't sure what the weather was going to do. As it turns out, tomorrow I think is going to be a bit like today. It's going to start off stormy, and it's going to get progressively better during the day. So I'm going to go and prepare my plans and get ready for tomorrow.